Crappie head versus sunfish head. Which one's going to catch the first catfish? Let's find out.
A bite. Oh, I think he's got it. I think he's got it. I think he's got it. He's got it. He's got it. Sorry, we're gonna tighten the drag. Got him. Got him, boys. There we go. Reposition this a little bit. On the sunfish. Kind of feels like maybe like a little channel. Oh, buddy. Toad of a channel. Oh, yeah. Alright.
Right there. Beautiful channel. Out of the camera, buddy. What, about 6 pounds? Sunfish is the winner.